How to check favorite items on Roblox Mobile. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can check your favorite item on your Roblox Mobile. So on Roblox Mobile, checking your favorite items involves a few steps. So here's a process how you can view the items you have favorited. First of all, launch the Roblox app on your mobile device. Once you have launched your Roblox app on your mobile device here, you have to log into your account and you have to just go for the more icon and tap on your profile. Once you have tapped on your profile icon which is on the bottom, just go for that. And here just go for your profile here. So once you are on your profile page, you have to look for the inventory and you have to tap on the inventory. Just go and tap on your. So once you are on your more option, you can find your inventory. You have to just tap on your inventory. So in the inventory menu, there should be a section labeled as favorite or favorited. You have to tap on the list to view all your favorite item here. So if you find your favorite item here, you have to just go for that here. So if you don't find that, you can also find your My Inventory option here. So let's go for this item here. And here you can see your item. And just go for the three dot and keep it on a favorite. And once you have keep that item on a favorite, just go for the more option and go for your inventory item. So with the help of this step, you can easily know about how you can check your favorite item on your Roblox. So you have to ensure that your Roblox app is up to date and have the latest version to access the new feature and interface update. So if you have a lot of favorite items, consider organizing or regular reviewing them to keep your own list manageable. By following this step, you should be able to easily access and manage your favorite item on your Roblox mobile. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.